A great way to understand how our thoughts and beliefs create our life is to understand what psychologists call the self-concept. See, your self-concept is how you think about yourself. It's your beliefs that you hold about yourself. Someone once said, the late Eric Butterworth said, your faith in God can never exceed your faith in yourself. I love that quote. You know, we can pray, oh God, please make good things happen in my life. Please do this, do that, and the other thing. But your faith in God can't exceed your faith in yourself because you've got to believe in yourself. It's not, I'm going to ask God to do this for me and God's just going to do it. No, you're a vehicle, you're an instrument. God can only do for you what she can do through you. And so that's why it's important to recognize the power that we have, that we've been given. We've been given dominion and authority, and we've got to take responsibility to choose where we focus our attention and our thoughts so that we can become a good avenue through which God expresses. And that's where the self-concept comes in. How do you see yourself? What are the beliefs that you have toward yourself and toward the different areas of your life? You see, we have a general self-concept, which is a bundle of beliefs that we hold about ourselves. And that impacts every area of our life. It impacts our performance in our life. See, when you feel good about yourself, you perform better. And when you perform better, you feel good about yourself. The two go hand in hand. And that's the power of how you think about yourself, how you feel about yourself. It's your self-concept. And here's the interesting thing about a self-concept. It's subjective. It's subjective. In other words, we hold beliefs about ourselves that just aren't true. We have learned them, and we've accepted them, and we've believed them, and consequently, they've impacted our life. They've impacted how we feel. They've impacted what we experience in life. They've impacted what we attract in our life. But they're not necessarily, and often aren't, based on truth with a capital T. The truth is, you're created in the image and after the likeness of God. That's the truth of us. We're spiritual beings. That's the reality of us. But so many times we have frustrated that reality, that truth, because we have accepted the ideas from parents, teachers, peers, from conditioning of the world around us. And we've had a tendency to think of ourselves in those ways instead of realizing the potential and the power of what it means to be a child of God. That's what Jesus the Christ came to teach us, to tell us. You are a child of God. You're created in the image and likeness of God. He came to demonstrate what it means to be a child of God. And so we've got to get our self-concept congruent with the reality of who we are as a spiritual being, as a child of God. And that's the power of it. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.